ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಶರಣು ಶರಣಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು dear learning enthusiast, welcome back to SBPS online classes. Dear students, as we have started NCERT class 6, our past 1 chapter number 3 in the earlier cities. In previous video classes we have covered the discussion on the contents, the story of Harappa, the layout of the cities. Now we are going to discuss the third content, that is new crafts in the cities. Yes, dear students, as we know that the rulers were lived in the special place on the city, that is citadel. So citadel, it is the one of the massive wall that protect the rulers. So the rulers were constructed the many palace in between the citadel. So during the construction of the palaces, they were used the elaborate materials. So special materials, those were metals, precious gems, and so many objects. So they were required the some materials, means they were imported by the other countries. So that's why from Afghanistan, Pakistan, as well as Iran, Iraq, and some from the other places also. So that's why they were made their palaces very rich. And the which are the materials they were used? They may have kept the most valuable objects such as ornaments, golds and silver, and beautiful beads of themselves, and perhaps wrote on other materials that have not survived. So dear children, they were used the valuable objects such as ornaments of gold and silver. For example, the utensils are made with the precious metals, with silver vase and so on, and ornaments for jewelries. So they were led the rich life in the palaces. So they for manufacturing the jewelries and vase and so on, they required the craft persons. So in the lower lower land, in the cities, many craft persons were followed the occupations like making the craft works. And some persons are involved in the trading works, because whatever the rulers wanted to purchase the goods from the other countries, the traders purchase those all things from the other countries and supply to the kings. So this type of two activities we can observe. One is the trading activities, another one is the craft activities. So mainly the kings purchase the gold ornaments, silver vases, silver utensils, and beads for making the jewelries, as well as some materials used to construct the palaces. So and another one, it is the very precious that they were wrote the all the whatever they want to write the on the script. They were prepared the seals. Some of the persons are involved in the making the seals, whatever the messages the kings were required. So the some persons who got the knowledge about the writing and the reading, that person made the seals for the kings. So wrote on other materials that have not survived now. So these materials or seals, those are not survived. So start with the besides their men and women are craft persons and making all kinds of things. Not only the seals, the making the jewelry works, even the men and women also involved, and the making the utensils and the some precious metals. So and either in their own houses or in a special workshops. So in the as we know that the settlements are divided into various sites. One is the human settlements, another one is the factory site, sometimes even both. So that's why people who are living in lower cities, they were involved in the craft activities. They were lived in the near the factory sites. And People were traveling to distant lands or returning with raw materials and perhaps stories. So, um, who were travelers? They were brought the some precious metals for the king, and after the bringing those, they will create the story and tell the stories to in front of the kings. And next, another one is that many terracotta toys have been found and children must play with these. So terracotta, it is the one of the red clay used for making the craft works like toys. The probably the childrens were played with the terracotta toys. And new crafts in the cities. What we can observe in the cities, especially the craft works are involved, the people involved in making the stone weightages, beads and blades. So these are the important things the craft persons made in during the Harappan civilization. Start with the stone weights. So let us look at the some of the objects you have in the figure, and these are found and made in the Harappan cities. So most of the things have been found by archaeologists are made of stones. So just you observe, the weights are made with the stones. And cells, sometimes the in cell means it is a one of the object that found in the sea or ocean. And metals like bronze, tin, iron, and some of the bronze and copper, and gold and silver. So including copper, bronze, gold and silver, the metal things or objects made by the craft persons. And copper and bronze were used to make tools, for example in the agriculture tools, as well as in some tools used in the home or in a day-to-day life. So and ornaments and vessels, vessels means it is the one of the vessels used for the gold and silver were used to make ornaments and vessels. Vessels means pipe or tube like objects. And perhaps the most striking finds are those of beads, weights and blades. So beads, many of these were made out of carnelian. So it is the one of the beautiful bead or a red stone bead. The stone was cut, shaped, polished, and finally a hole was bored through the center so that the string or a thread could be passed through it. So as we are wearing the all the ornaments, those have the one of the hole bored inside the beads. So just like that, in the during the period of the civilization period, they were used the carnelian, one of the bead, red bead, and they were made the and cut that red stone, and they were polished that stone. Finally they were made the hole inside the that bead. It can pass the, it could be passed the string inside from one side to another side. So these the only the who had the skill of this making beads, that person only made the beads. So the craft persons are very skilled persons. So these are the some of the terracotta toys from Harappan civilization the archaeologists found out. And just you observe, these are the some weightages made with the one of the Caroline stone, and these are used for weighing the precious metals and the some objects. And these are the some red beads, and some of the varied, these are the varied in sizes and shapes. And we can pass the string from one side to another side, and these help us to made them jewelries. And so just you observe, the archaeologists found out these some beads and various sizes and the shapes as well as colors and different metals. These are the metals beads. So these are the some of the gold beads also the archaeologists found out in the Harappan place. And next we go through the seals. So Harappan also made the seals out of stones, are generally they are rectangular shapes. So seals means it is the one of the uh, on the surface of the seals, they were engraved the some of the animals figure or scripts also written. So on all the after writing the after engraving these, they were stamped on the surface. So for example, the who are the rulers, they wanted to send the one message to another ruler in a letter. They were sealing, they were sealed with the sealing. And for example, in the trading businesses, they were going on. So during the one play they are loading or uploading time, the we can the packet on the packets, we can they were sealed the ready-made goods. So just you observe, seals may have been used to stamp bags or packets containing goods that were sent from one place to another. After a bag was closed to tie or tied, a layer of wet clay was applied on the knot and the seal was pressed on it. So impression of seal is known as sealing. So this is the sealing. On the wet clay, the sealing was stamped. And just you observe in your post offices and some parcel offices, on the wet clay they were sealed their company name and so on, date and so on. And a stone statue of an important man found from Mohenjo-daro shows him wearing an embroidered garment. So the people have good knowledge of using the cotton thread, and using the cotton thread they were made the garments. So on that garment, just you observe the figure on the statue, they were embroidered the some of the figures on the cotton cloth. So archaeologists have also found spindle whorls, so made of terracotta and fence. So these were used to spin threads. So this is the one of the terracotta. Terracotta means it is the one of the red clay used for the making the toys, and the spindle whorls. So spindle whorls means to fill the thread of the in the walls, they were used this material, and these were used to spin threads. And many of the things that were produced were probably the work specialist. The specialist is a person who is trained to do only one kind of work. So who to whom we call the specialist? The person who have the skill of making the using the raw materials and making the fine goods. That person called the trained person, as well as the specialist person. Only that person only know about the making the fine goods. So they have the good knowledge of the making the craft works, as well as trading works, as well as construction of the buildings. Next we go through the these are the some ancient swastik symbol from the Indus Valley. So these are the seal and sealings. And this is the one of the seal. You can observe the animals figure engraved, and some of the materials as well as the some of the scripts were engraved on the surface of the seal. And so just you observe, this is the figure of the stone bird person. So on he wore the one of the cloth. On the cloth you can observe the embroidery some of the figures. And so these are the spindle walls. These are the wooden walls, but in during the ancient Harappan civilization, they were made the terracotta spindle worms. So it is utilized for the spinning the thread on the surface of the uh, figures. And these are the terracotta materials on the pots and vases utilized for the household purpose, and sometimes the to fill the crops inside the and grains also. To fill this purpose, they were used the toys, and as well as these pots. So the on the pot surface you can observe the paintings, and they were not polished. So these are only red terracotta clay pots. And So just you observe, it is the one of the pottery. It is found out by in the Indus Valley. So this is the bigger pot, and this bigger pot, they were stored the crops. And in the next upcoming class we will cover another remaining contents. Till then, bye bye, stay home, stay safe.